How to grow YouTube channel. That's what you just typed, right? I'm about to show you how to show up in the YouTube search results just like I did right now so it can happen for your channel. And this is going to help you to grow on YouTube. Listen up. What you want to do is use keywords from top search results on YouTube. So just like you typed it up, you're going to type whatever topic it is that your channel is about, whatever your niche is for your channel. You're going to type up keywords that you think people will search for on YouTube. So if it's a certain phrase, type that in there. If it's a certain word, type that in there. If it's just two words, type that in there. See what shows up. And YouTube is going to show you what people all around the world have been searching for. YouTube is showing it to you right there. All you have to do is just type in that keyword and it's going to show that one keyword plus another keyword. Now, what you could also do from there is do like an ABC test. Is you can type in your keyword and then put a space, and then A right after that, and then it'll show what shows up after that. And then you look at whatever's showing up at the top is what people search the most. And under that, the second, and under that, the third, and under that, the fourth, and so on. So you can do the same thing with that next keyword, space B, and it'll show what people are searching with that, C all the way to Z. You can do that, and that will help you find the top keywords for your niche, all right? And you can have those keywords in your video soon as you say it, just like I did right now. I'm showing you the prime example, okay? Say it as soon as you pop up on the screen, and the algorithm is going to pick it up and show it to more people because it's going to be in the captions, it's going to be in the transcript, and it's going to be on your title as well. All right? And other places, so that when people search for it, you'll show up. Your video will be one of the top ones to rank in the Google or YouTube search engines, okay? What you want to do next is study the top 5. You type in your niche, what your channel is about, and see who your competitors are. Now, I don't really look at everybody as competition. It's enough room for everybody to eat here, but this is what you want to do, okay? If you want to end up at the top to where you could be seen and grow your channel fast, you've got to be seen, and this is how you do it. You want to study the top 5 that are in the search. And when you find the top 5 that are in your search results for that certain keyword that people are looking at for you and what you want to rank for, and whenever people search for something that you want them to find you, look at those top 5 that show up in the YouTube search results and watch their videos. Subscribe to them. Like their videos so that their videos will show up for you and you'll be able to get more examples of what you should be doing. This is how you study the greats. This is how you study who's blowing up right now. Because if they're getting hundreds of thousands of views, it's working for them. And that's what you want to get to work for you. It's like this. Whenever I would do music, I'm a musician, right? What I did is I learned from the greats. I learned from the best of the best that were in their arena. If it was R&B, if it was gospel, if it was pop, I began to learn and how to sing like them. I began to learn how to make beats like them. If it was like Timbaland in the 90s or something, like I learned how to make beats with like Timbaland, right, on my computer. And I began to get really good at music production. And that is, it's a same thing that's where we are applying here. When you learn the greats, and then you'll get those characteristics and those traits, you can borrow from those things and make it your own style. And you're able to be great at being you. So that's what it is. We're all influenced by somebody. And who better to be influenced by than those who are blowing up right now and who are making it work for them. You right now, you can make it work for you. All you have to do is just follow the blueprint. All right. So study who's blowing up right now by looking at those who are in the top search. every time. You could do this every day, and you can, for any topics that you could think of, see those top videos. Those are the top 5 right there, and that will serve you greatly. All right. The next thing, post similar videos but with your own style and flair. Okay, whatever they're doing, they might have a lot of edits and jump cuts and a bunch of animations and a lot of music and whole production going on. If you're just like me and you're just sharing the information, just word of mouth, you just talking it, yo, do that. Do what you can. Use what you have right now until you're able to hire an editor. Not unless you're an editor yourself. Like me, I can edit videos, I can do animations, I can do all that jazz. But that takes way too much time for a one-man band that has kids and has a YouTube channel, running business and taking care of family and every other thing that gets thrown at my. You like, yo, that's way too much. So I just had to simplify it. And if that's what you got to do for you, simplify it so that you're getting content out. Like I said many times before, if you've seen any of my content before, this is digital assets, digital real estate. In every single video that you put out there, whether it's a huge production quality type of video or it is just a simple talking head video like this, you are gaining digital real estate on YouTube, which will be paying you 24/7 when you get a part of the YouTube Partner Program. All you got to have is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And that right there will get you lined up to where you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and get paid some money for your videos. All right. This is what we're going for. Okay. Now, you got to use SEO to your advantage. This is my next tip. Use search engine optimization. And with search engine optimization, you're going to add keywords like we were talking about before. Now you're going to put those in your title of your video, of every single video that you do. This is what you're going to do before. This is your pre-production work, okay? You are a production studio, a one-person production studio. And you got pre-production, you got your time for production when you're actually creating the video and recording the video, and you have post-production, all right? And as I've been in the film industry before, this is something that I know. This is like, I've done that for like 20 years for films, for commercials, for short films, TV shows. It's the same thing with YouTube. You're a production company, basically. As a content creator, that's who you are. And when you look at it from that mindset as a business, then yeah, we can get real with this. We can get some real strategy and just use what's been working for production companies. Okay? Because that's who you are. You're a content creator, a production company. What Jay-Z say, I'm a businessman. I'm not just, like you are the business. You are the business. You're giving people the business with the sauce that you give, with the knowledge you give, with the wisdom you give in your content. And you're getting those keywords from the things that they are searching for. Your people, your subscribers, what are they looking for online? And you can see that in your analytics on your channel, what they're searching for. YouTube will show you that. And you can use those keywords, just like I was telling you at the beginning of the video. Whatever they're searching for, type that in. Use those keywords. There's even a tool called vidIQ. It's free. There's a paid version as well. Make sure you get the free one at least and use that so that you can see how those keywords rank, if they have a high competition or if they have low competition. What you want to do is you want to find the ones that are searched a whole lot, like not just 2,000 words, but like, hundreds of thousands of times every day, all right, or every month. You want videos, you want search topics that are searched for hundreds of thousands of times, that have a low competition rate. And when you find that, you struck gold. You want to have that as your in your next title of your video, and you want to make sure that you are putting that also in your description. You want to have that title in your description too. Whatever you want to search for, have those keywords in there. The next place you want to have it is in your tags. This is the post-production phase of your video creation. In post-production, this is everything that you do after you record. So you're putting all those keywords in your video, in your title, in your description, and in your tags, so that the algorithm, the search engine in YouTube will see, okay, this is what this video is about. This is who should be shown this video. These are the people that are searching for this topic. We should make it show up right here for them. Okay? And also your hashtags. Whatever hashtags that you put in your description, that's where I say a lot of people like to put their hashtags in the title of the video. I would say don't do that. Put that in your description. And the first 3 that you put in there will show up. You can put a lot in there. I wouldn't say do less than 3, but have 3 and 3 keywords, hashtags, somewhere near the bottom of your description after all your writing and everything. So yeah, this is how you grow on YouTube, okay? All right? Post videos that are similar to your previous videos. If you already have a channel that you've been working on, the videos that have done the best, you want to post more videos like that, okay? I see a lot of creators have success with one video, but then they go back to doing something totally different. Man, just make that same kind of video again. Just do it again. That's the key right there. I've gone viral before, and that was the key. I did that same mistake too. I had a viral video and I started doing other content, trying to find, trying to see what else worked. I should have just did that same video. Next time that happened, I knew better. And I kept making that same video. And I kept doing it, and it kept working, and it kept working, and it kept working, and I kept working it until it stopped working. And that's what you got to do. You got to just see what's working best and keep tweaking it, making it better. Like I was saying earlier about making similar videos as your competitors or those who are blowing up right now. You just want to see how you can improve upon what they've already done. And that's how you put your style on it. You put your flair on it. You make sure that you are serving your viewers and subscribers the best way possible that you know how. If there's something that you learn that nobody else has ever talked about, share that. I mean, you're not going to lose from that. You're only going to be helping people, and it's going to help yourself too, because you're going to be building that trust. You're going to be building that love. And that's what we all need right there, y'all. So that is what you got to do to grow fast on YouTube. And find a mentor. If you don't have somebody that you can really have to show you the ropes on how to do this stuff, make sure that you subscribe right here. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll be one of those mentors. I'm helping you right now. I'm helping you, just like if somebody was to say, hey man, can you show me the ropes on YouTube, how to grow my YouTube channel? This is it right here. I'm talking to you just like I would talk to that person right now. I'm talking to you, all right, as a mentee. So subscribe to me so that you don't miss anything from me. I have a ton of tips that I'm always sharing about this, and I've made a bunch of videos. And make sure that you like this video so that the algorithm shows it to more people. And that'll be a huge thank you that you could give to me, and I appreciate it. I received that love and that blessing. So thank you for hitting that like button. And also, if you want to see the video that YouTube thinks is the best video for you to watch, click this video right here. And if you want to binge watch all the other tips that I have, check out this playlist. All right. Blessings, peace, and love. I'm Ty Sweet. Make life better. Make life sweet.